I know what you're thinking. What is this? This looks scary. Is it real? And what's going on here? Well, if that's what you're thinking, I'm thinking the same thing. I'm here at the Beth Israel in Needham, checked in overnight at the hospital for a supervised sleep study. Basically, this is to show that with all the Wegovy and all of the weight loss and all of the activity that's going on, what's happening with my sleep apnea. Last time I was here, I was up for, I think, 34 times an hour. That was my score. Normal is 4. So we're going to go through this tonight with all these wires, all these sensors, something like 20 different connections, including my finger, from head to toe. And we will find out after the results, after basically 8+ hours here, we will find out just to what extent my sleep apnea has been cured essentially by my weight loss or reduced. And we're going to find out, we're going to get to the bottom of this. We will know. We will know. As crazy as this looks, we'll know whether I still have sleep apnea and to what extent. We're going to find out how much of a factor weight is when it comes to some of these other diseases. And one of them for me is sleep apnea. What this means is that I wake up regularly throughout the night because I stop breathing. And so waking up is a way to start breathing. So hopefully the numbers are low and the sleep apnea is either seriously diminished or cured. That's the hope. And we'll find out the results and report those back. And through all this, I'm not just monitored when it comes to all of these different touch points that are attached to me, but there is a camera and a microphone against the wall on the other side, up there. And that's watching and monitoring and listening to me, listening to everything. The guy must think I'm totally crazy. I am totally crazy. This is crazy.
You're not crazy.
Oh, there he is. We got a voice from above. Thumbs up over there. And again, we'll see what happens. Let's see if I can get a good night's sleep or get some sleep so they can track this. Right now there's a football game going on, so we'll watch the end of that. Well, it's 5:30 a.m. That's when they wake you up here. I don't feel like I got much sleep. Fortunately, I get to go home. Well, it's now about 5:50 a.m. I've been woken up. As you can see, all the wires have been taken off. There's all sorts of sticky stuff that was a little bit gross on my head and face and neck, etc. that I had to wash off, but I did that. I don't feel like I slept very well, but I guess that's par for the course. I was informed by the sleep technician who observed me all night, thank you very much, that I got enough sleep for the sleep study on both my side and my back. Mostly I'm a side sleeper. I found it almost torture trying to sleep on my back. What I did at the end was I turned to my side, went to sleep, and then sort of slightly woke up, I think like an hour later, was able to turn to my back and log some sleep on my back. So they got readings on both sides. I was informed that my AHI is, sounds like it's pretty favorable, especially on my side. So we'll see about that when we get the final numbers. He said it'll be 2 to 3 weeks for the final report. Not sure why it takes so long, but that's the way it is. Nothing I can do about that. I was told also that there was little to no snoring on either side. There was a little bit of snoring on my back, but I don't sleep on my back, so that's actually a good outcome as well. So all in all, again, aside from a little fatigue, I'm looking forward to getting home, to taking a shower, and to going back to bed. It sounds like a successful experience and a positive outcome of my Wegovy journey and the considerable weight loss that's occurred. It looks like my sleep apnea is radically reduced, if not essentially gone, for all intents and purposes. My snoring essentially also is gone, and I'm really a new man. Well, it's 6 a.m. and I'm being released from the hospital. I just finished my sleep study. It's still dark out here. This is the town of Needham, Mass. This is actually where I grew up. Moved here when I was 10 years old and lived here for quite a while until I went to college. But I'm back here now for my sleep study, and All in all, it was a success. I'm actually feeling a little more awake than I anticipated. I'm not usually up at 5:30, 6 a.m., but I'm ready to go. Maybe get a cup of coffee on the way home. Good to be out and good to have this under my belt. Looking forward to the results. Well, pulling out here, 6:09 a.m. Sun is not up yet. I feel like we've turned a big corner here. Let's say goodbye to the hospital. 33 degrees out, 6:10 a.m. Well, my car says it's 33 degrees out. I just heard it's dropping below freezing tonight. Well, I'm at Dunkin'. I have to admit it, I want a cup of coffee. Cup of Joe, they say. So that's what I'm getting before I drive home. Just something warm. I guess I'm looking forward to the caffeine, although part of me just wants to go back to bed. But I think this is a little cozy comfort feeling as I head home.